In this video, I'm going to show you how to speed up your mobile internet instantly. So the first thing what we're going to do is basically a restart. So just restart your phone because this can instantly fix up any issues in most commonly. Okay, so restart your device. And alternatively, what you can do, you can scroll down, swipe down, and then you will see there is airplane mode on your mobile here. So tap on your airplane mode and turn on your airplane mode for like 5 to 10 seconds and then turn that off. So this will refresh all your any networks settings or connection settings. It will refresh it. Okay, you can try that and simply do that. That might fix up the issue or that might help you to speed up. Okay, apart from that, you got to make sure go to your settings. What you can do, just go to your settings, and from your settings click on connections, and in the connections here scroll all the way down and go for more connections where you will see these DNS server settings. Okay, where you will see this private DNS. Tap on the private DNS. By default it will be automatic or turned off. You can click on these provide private DNS server, and then what you can do, just type in dns.google.com and then hit on save, and then you can use this, and this might help you to speed up your mobile internet as well. And on top of all of this, make sure typically your mobile internet or from the internet from the data from your service provider it's 4G and it's pretty fast enough. Just make sure that you don't have any issues with your mobile service provider that affects the speed of your internet. Okay, and this is how you can speed up the mobile internet.